Hello everybody, this is a quick introduction of me picking up this motorcycle, electric motorcycle, yesterday. It's all raw footage, so just enjoy, because I just chat along and talk a little nonsense. So you enjoy. Thank you very much. Well, I'm on. My God, I'm on. And look where I'm on as well. Ha 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 ha. Just picked it up and trying to find my way home. I've got about 20 odd miles to go. And well, yeah, this is the first impressions of the bike, really. It's a 2021 Super Soccer TC Max. And I'm trying to get... in southwest London. Just bought it. It needs a little bit of fettle. Once I've fettled it, should be fine. But yeah, first impressions is good so far. I haven't given no welly. Started on 99% battery. The bike's on 2,500 miles. And yeah, it's time to see a good riding position. You can see out the mirrors. A3, that's what we want. A3, sorry, yeah. AC Central London, Wimbledon. Scared of giving it some, not giving it some beans, but that's 40 miles an hour. Nice and steady. I'm supposed to go on here and then do a right. Alright, I have to concentrate for a while, so I'm going to lovely and leaving. I'll see you in a bit. Trying to figure out what that means. That means the temperature of the actual battery. I'm in mode 1 again. Try that mode. I'm not sure where I am now. Well, I've been on this route before. So I've got that sign, see what it says. South Circular East. Right. Creep past them all silently. Well, not silently, it's not silent. So I've got no throttle on that at all, it's just holding its speed. Little blip. So where are we? I'm not going to keep going straight because I've been back, I don't know what the place is called. Battersea Rise. Oh! Battersea. Southwest London. Yeah, noise, and it's the regenerative braking. When you brake, it uses that power and puts it back into your battery. I should have one hand on it all the time, shouldn't I? I don't think you can do that. Got all the grass. It's all white. Well, you know what I mean, brown. It's not grass, it's dying grass on the top. Right underneath. Otherwise it won't come back in, would it? Right, now I've got to turn right here because I've done this before. That's our circle. Look at that price. Regular diesel £2, £1.99, £1.99.9 pence a litre. A litre of fuel. This is why this is going to be beneficial for me. I've come onto this rather than, I mean, I never generally go above 50-60 miles. You know, even go out with this last. So this is going to do me for instead of having ice petrol, having electric, one with a bit of power. Will be fun. I'm going to put it in Moto 3 because it's supposed to be. So I've got 39 more miles range in Moto 3. 39 miles, I'm fine. I've only got about 15 miles to go, so having a bit more power on tap's going to be fun. Oh boys, Mr. Delivery Men, there's tons of them now, thousands of them everywhere. When I'm out in the van working, and I'm in central London, they're nipping in and out of here everywhere. Push bikes are doing the same, obviously, and they go straight through lights. They don't care, and you got to be so careful when you turn left because they'll be on the inside here. You got to drive with one, you know, with the left window open, so you don't bat and ball. Go for it. So you don't, so you can hear them. If you know what I mean. Well, they won't hear me, will they? I'm not on this. Please make sure steering unlock before driving. Safe driving, wearing a helmet. Okay. Right now I'm stood here, but I'm not doing out. Not wasting fuel or anything. There's a little wear from the bike, but that's from the centrally mounted motor that has on the phone. See, centrally mounted motor that's going to the back. It's driven by a belt to the back wheel, so that's the whirring noise from the actual motor generating power. I'm putting it through a belt to the back wheel. Oh, my phone's gone off. I had a beep, but it's in the back of me